Camera stabilizer, which is a very important part of video making process, had to be chosen carefully, else it will make your work more problematic. If you have already watched some of my travel videos, few slow motion shots are there, though they are all handheld, but still to make them even better, I thought let's buy a stabilizer for my camera. So you can choose a electronics one spending a huge amount of money like this, or else go for a cheap mechanical gimbal. I have a Sony a6300 camera, which is a very lightweight mirrorless camera body, and to make it little more stable, I bought this gimbal which costed me around 2500 bucks from Amazon. But is it good? Let's find out. The whole thing is made of metal and very small in size compared to any other camera stabilizer. Basically this thing is for small cameras like Sony mirrorless body. Color is red, but you can get other colors too, so another black version is also there. The whole thing consists of three main parts: the base plate area for the camera, then part for the counterweights, and lastly the handlebar. Handle grip is pretty good in terms of quality. Now you have to attach this handle with the main base plate. And after completing it, it will look like this. Now I am shooting with my Sony camera, so I'll use my friend's Canon camera to show its compatibilities. Attach the camera with the base plate first. Base plate has different spot to adjust your camera with different weights. Now put counterweight and the handle grip into the gimbal. This is the tricky part. You have to adjust the weight equal to the camera body. Finding the sweet spot is the most toughest part of all. I tried a lot but failed. Sometimes camera gets little heavy and sometimes the counterweights get little heavy, and after investing a lot of time, when I finally managed to get the balance, still at the time of shooting or working with the whole thing, I am getting an wavy and shaky footage. Tried both the Canon and Sony with different weights and different lanes, but the results were same. Still the same shaky footage. If you find its review on YouTube, very few have the correct stability in their video, and most videos are they're struggling with the output. And again, it's need a lot of time to set up the whole thing. If you are a beginner in this field and want to stabilize for your camera, then my suggestion is simply don't buy it, because it's so irritating. It's so small and the counterweights are so small, so it's hard to balance with them. It's hard to get a stable footage from this thing, and even the setting up process and the balancing process will take most of your time. Still, if you wanna buy it, go for it and do it on your own risk. Rather stay tuned to my channel, because I am going to upload another video of a stabilizer very soon, because recently I bought another stabilizer which actually does the job for my camera. And for that, stay tuned here, and till then, bye bye.